Christopher Topher and Lake Placid. Topher, say hi, Mom.
Hello. Look at all the people walking across the lake.
That's the lake.
That's the lake.
People are walking across the lake. Say hi, Wayne and Charlotte.
Hello.
Both say Mom and Dad. Say I love you. Oh, this is the new part of the hotel. Right there. And that's the old part. Right there.
Jake, if you cut it in 3-minute videos, then we can cut it down easier. Huh?
There's our balcony. The mountains.
We've got a shower and a tub.
That's my tub. It's a huge tub. Why'd you turn my fireplace off? Here comes Chris!